How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can check the recently watched reels on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to check recently watched reels on Instagram, you can try opening the Instagram application here. Now you can just come to the Reels tab. If you watch a reel and you just scroll like this, you cannot find out that reel. However, if you have some kind of interaction with that reel, such as let's say you like that particular reel or maybe you comment on it, here in this case I have liked it, I can find this liked reel. I will not be able to find it if I don't conduct any type of activity with this reel, but I can find out if I actually basically liked a certain reel. Now in order to find this, come to your profile page, tap the three lines option from the top right, and then just go to your activity that you can find here. And after you go to your activity, under the interactions tab, you can see this option called likes. So when you go to the likes section, you should be able to see the reels that you have liked over here along with all the other posts. So it just really depends upon what you have liked. As you can see, in my case I have liked a certain reel, which is this one and the other one here, so they are showing up over here. Now if you come back here, you can also see content you shared, which is reels over here. This is only the reels that you have shared, so that's not something you want to care about. If you commented on that reel, you can go to comment. If you like that reel, you can go to likes and see what reel you have liked, because this is the only way to figure it out. So hope this video helped you as to how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.